agus a run dunne bí breakout rooms le go far?
No.
No, right. So higlom se kinal da brodet and breakout room is higlom you have splatala shahan groups. So Abernus the events right the quick one to give like a show yenu higlom shave hor shahan breakout room so by but you true to give us the like or screen separate I guess higlom higlom the videos are hump on and so can't hill to go burn the kitchen or whatever. So a Auckland the other one session get your gym at the Dulugu one. So Shaw rod ura hannig in user zoom in a breakout room so but you quite you go but that's it so the race when you would tell us later on there's the Kirsten la journey go agus Jeff me gym with the Dulugu one okay right so Murderma I saw James in us my James leaking just chat. Adam made hostel, Jamesy. Anyway, right. So a race in the circle theorem. So Murderp my love, Karimasis, Fregrid, da Kishni, Doy Quijig, Gashijik, my video da on the Fregration, the minion, the Fregration div, I guess he gave him Holfrechen later on. Okay, so a race I'm back at G circle theorems. Now, a head rod, Bahorgum is good partly like Ciorcail agus wishing Jantkov von Honyan Junior shirt. Okay, so task of Ciorcail, task of Corda the Ciorcail, Larfonchi Ciorcail, Trastos, agus Emlina Ciorcail. So the Hermage circumference. Well, I had okay lashan. Task of Arc, so Stua the Ciorcail, so shin just lock part the Stua, agus sector means the middle lock sector, natural shaded to share. So shin sector the Ciorcail. Semicircle and shin, so shin Ciorcail, shin semicircle, agus disk and shin Ciorcail on one. Okay, well, I had okay lashan. Yeah, right, okay. So just basic theory da Ciorcail. Now, make it to lehanna kids se hin jagen that the text so chefi to he's and shaw disk, right? So the inside of a circle, each circle divides the whole plane into two pieces, the inside and the outside. Okay, so if B and C are the ends of an arc, so their arc is the Ciorcail and shin. If B and C is the end of an arc, so show the arc and shaw is Stua, Galo B GC of an arc the circle, and A is another point not on the arc, then we can say that the angle BAC is an angle at A standing on the arc or standing on the chord. So this you can record na hasur chord the BC or na hasur Stua BC. So really wrote this retention mata Ciorcail ogutse agus ma locken to Stua will be GC. So this we just call a hand Stua so conversion shadow bini strama will be Jeremy Joe B GC. Then we will lock us a punch at HB is this the Ciorcail. So my harm selino shingishan agus shingishan Kelly shin goshen Ellen at an hasur Stua BC. No or chord maharn to lino B GC. That's what we call a chord. So shin chord BC. So he can write colon Ellen BAC na hasur Stua BC or chord BC. Okay. So shin tell a piece of book in this text lore. Okay. Theorem Nijig angle standing on the same arc theorem. Now, the angle at the center of a circle standing on a given arc is twice the angle at any point of the circle standing on the same arc. Now, just let you know the deep. So, I'm afraid in the circle theorems, I guess the reach before you should know all them off by heart. I guess you'd come your hoina chat. Now, in the certain theorems, so crew just called come you good urgeton. Now, Malak would then you learn from Ciorcail and Shun. I guess Malakam se Stua A Guji Jeremy B and Shun. Now, Maharm Selino Shin Guji Shun. I guess the Ellen is the Inshaw and Jeremy Alpha. Okay, Maharm can HB and Shun Guji Shun. A reached Tasum Goshen Golove Alpha is gonna do. So Shaw Golove Goni Ye Erit and Ellen is the Inshaw. Wasn't Tiki Gahananya. Okay, so erase the angle at the center of the circle standing on a given arc is twice the angle at any point of the circle standing on the same arc. Now, Higglumson stua sin a harange HBL, cos the Hocklam stua harange Ocean Gujishan, Agashis Gujishan, Tashin Golve Alpha Skin the Dog Fast. And Yensa therefore catch a harange the Shastua, Tashin Golve Alpha Skin the Dog. There's a leak Golve inside Kern. Okay, because there's leak a chart on stua AGB. Sin tigi gahanaya. So sin Teoirim ever in the junior shirt agus we sin jantig for junior shirt. Okay. Now, qualities are from Teoirim 19. So there are a number of important qualities that can be immediately deduced from Teoirim 19. All angles at points of a circle standing on the same arc are equal. So sin rud vi am medium sin did ten Ellenshin, codumla sin Ellenshin, codumla sin Ellenshin, to should leak a size kernel. Yen should therefore catch a harnia to the jahastua. To go ni golavane. Tus leak Golovin Ellen Kierna. Ask what chart on Stua Kierna. Okay. So sin punche, so sin quality ever done junior shirt. Now the converse of the quality, if two angles standing on the same side of a chord of a circle are equal, and one angle is at the center, then so is the other. Okay, so restore the record the Ellen Codrum la Hilla. Okay. Quality every 3, he's bond the texture, so make it bond the texture and shunt. Each angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So if BC is the diameter of a circle and A is any other point in the circle, then BAC equals 90 degrees. Now, to a short into tower, into basic, but it is quite a able to spot in the kitchen. Yes, I'm going to go to circle ditch. So make it as a semicircle. So just go to semicircle. But Nyaja therefore Maharnim Citriant and HB is the goose base of the semicircle. Okay. Maharnim Citriant and Ushan Gujishan Hagoni Golve 90 degrees. Maharnim Dino Shen Gujishan, back Gujishan Hagolve 90 degrees. Nyaja therefore Kacha Harnim Citriant. Maharnim Citriant and Ushan Gujishan, Rash Gujishan Hagoni Golve 90 degrees. Okay. Now the risk Kaitas ve aware is the grind kissney you variation semicircle ditch. But my variation 90-degree angle ditch, before that's a way before there's an abernish good at Shanton ditch a week 90 degrees, Mershon. Then before Gumus August the machine lea bali against a fortune, cosmos fortune, then to Majalda actually half circle a harnage. Agus Carwi to dal the Teoirim usage and shen own half circle sin. Because Carwi hocklet cost a Teoirim or shin will good. Agus dogget running to Kruhu, then he get actually hompost jahan full circle. So Reese Roddy machine kite to him out the spot all. So just be aware go all what a 90-degree angle good, then he get a horizontal half circle, semicircle. Yeah circle. Okay. Ahan you okay, Lashan?
Yeah.
Okay, so make it to Jen, complicated journey. Quality every care. If an angle standing on a chord, BC, at some point of the circle is at right angles, then BC is the diameter. Okay, so if an angle standing on a chord, BC, at some point of the circle is at right angles, then BC is the diameter. So read the general na what the chord agus what the chord got fridge or punch you G punchella. So if an angle standing on a chord BC at some point of the circle is a right angle. So we lock with the matas on the right angle. Then test going to chord the shaw is the diameter of the circle. Okay. Now switch to the chord ogun shaw, then which a jacker 90-degree angle a harnch shaw. So it is chain arm higgle 90-degree angle a harnch shaw. Martin corde on the trash toes. So only Norton corde shot on the trash toes to make the angle elder 90 degrees. I guess you can tell the quality every care. Now, the cyclic quadrilateral. So it is a cyclic quadrilateral means a four-sided shape to see the circle. So we raise my hand to circle. I guess the four-sided. So just turn any kind of four-sided shape as well as a hand to you. Okay, so Teoirim to la shaw is ma comment is a Swiss Ellen a heen agus Ellen a da, Ellen a tree, agus Ellen Keher. Okay, so if ABC is a cyclic rod, then opposite angles sum to 180 degrees. So calculation is equal Ellen Heen plus da cosma K dartmo degrees. The 3 plus Keher, Ellen 3 plus Ellen Keher cosma 180 degrees. Is reached kinder Wallace Ogunchin because Tessagun from proof on junior shirt, Maharmid in Elena Trasnachin, Tasking Gul Eilenchin plus an Eilenchin plus Heen cosma 180, Tasking Gushin plus Shin cosma 180. So obviously, I morning with Yelenshin and Mohas, Tamid Golal Heen plus dog Golve cosma 180. Okay, so it reached to proof and Shin is a janta for your own junior shirt. Okay. And that's it. So it reached Chinichin with the highest Fasvigov from the cyclic or the circle theorems. Formula 1 area, so a Ciorcail cosma pi r squared. Is the Shalik or Atlassian. Circumference, fought circumference cosma 2 pi r, so Kais Fasvigov. So to M line cosma da pi r, I guess it reached an ahar cosma pi r squared. I guess the Shin file is the in the lower table. Okay. Well, I had a new occasion. We'll question then you be for the edition. Okay, so just touch image exercise 11.1. So Ramish free kissed over heen and then he gave heen kissed over the dog real. Okay, so you kissed over the heen head away. So send the text out, turn your diagram to kiss over the heen. So erase the Ciorcail again. I guess the layer function O, I guess the A is B going. I guess the shouldn't go D wasn't shot. I guess go E and shot. Okay, so D is C. Now Tashin O, Tashin egg artmo came. Artmo degrees. I guess test can go shot egg 20 degrees. Okay. Now, so it reached I guess the punch E and shot. Okay, so what the kind of job rewarders is calculate angle AOB. So we question Ellen AOB and Shaw. Now, Merkin does the question that Ellen AOBL kind of Eden Ellen Chen non-conscious and Chen obrima. Conscious, I guess conscious they're equal, so kind of cannot be Chen obrima. Okay, now. Test going to grind all the signaling lineage gira to Vincent Kisha test from Goshen 80 session Gulliver 80 degrees. So Motashin 80 to Sean the lineage gira test from Goshen 100 degrees. I guess test from Goshen 100 degrees. Okay, so to my outish in the lineage. So to K the good to Artmo, I guess the Artmo. So reached Motashin 20, I guess the Shin Kate test from Gullen Allen Shin AOD. So it reached the Vagina shot. Skrive to she so reached to Ellen DEC. Well, actually, fair and she skrive harapy. Higlin rat goal Ellen AED. Cosmna K degrees. I guess because Mohammed to 80 plus K due to 180 is the Line Gira. Okay. So task equal Ellen AED cosmna K degrees. Now, so ocean task equal Ellen ADB cosmla. So ratio to 180 minus K plus phi degrees. So variation doing an Ellen Steen Chan. Okay, variation doing an Ellen Chan Shaw. Okay, so erase 180 minus K to phi. To make 5 plus 60 degrees. Okay. Now, so race task is called Ellen ADB Cosmla Shaska K. Now, Motashin Shaska, a goose at Teoirim, so O Teoirim. So, Kin Teoirim Vin Circulation, so race just like all this going, so Teoirim ever in the jig. So, O Teoirim ever in the jig. Task in Nash called Ellen AOB. Cosmla, yeah, edit Ellen ADB. Which the Cosma da, Medi Fashaska came, Bhís a cosma cé sa 5 degrees. Ok? Agus sin ceist a bhí hí deanta. Well, ahanana okay lesson. Okay, so ruddy anyone when we trial as a breakout room. Now, what you get should in the breakout rooms in fact was the enemy random as so could image the door you go on so you 3 breakout room. I guess he live trial one just catch every door. Now to much go through pause the recording, so therefore in the him to as a breakout room he let the camera so we got a good method to get it. Okay, was an okay again, yeah?
Yeah.
I must just so just the whole fridge catch every door. Gek ar na ag AO OC agus OB. So the Ellen na hín cos mar trotha céim. Now, because den gesha agus a gesha fad cear na tescin go seo na triantan có chasa agus mi go seo na triantan có chasa tescin go an Ellen seo cosm na sin Ellen seo an seo. So the Ellen na hín go bhí cos mar trotha céim. Now, agus a Teoirim every new jig angle standing on the same arc tescin go Ellen na hín plus quick cosm na Ellen cé to J. So the hín plus quick cosm na quick degrees tescin go Ellen na hín cosm na trotha. So but chin was quick agus test na school Ellen quick and cosma fi quick came. Now Marial go Ellen quick agus ceher Marial go BO agus OC faster on the ge test go triantan AOC actually behog mission on the BOC test go Ellen BOC on the triantan co hasa faster agus Marial go shot on the triantan co hasa test go Ellen ceher cosma Ellen quick which the cosma fi quick degrees. Making shift seo so lachmuid triantan ABC agus rís to township me cuartu Ellen ever dó an seo. So le Ellen ever dó tuimead Ellen na hína brú má cheadúí, which the cosmna erit Ellen ABC or ACB, so there is cosmna tra art came. Now because the AO cosmna OB sin na ge cearna, so tasking go triantan AOB on the triantan co hasa. So therefore, kai Ellen a dó a bheith cosmna Ellen a 3. So Muhammad is a 3 Ellen, he dog is 3, teskin cosma Kate Artmo. So teskin nashkol Ellen a dó plus Ellen a 3, cosmna Kate agus a dó degrees. Okay, agus Marial gol Ellen a dó, cosmna Ellen a 3, teskin gol Ellen a dó nash, cosmna Kate a dó, a ranter a dó, which the cosmna quiga him degrees. Okay, agus sin agenta. Okay, so sin ceist every 3. We're ahanana sin? Was you okay, lesson? Okay, right. So fanny oberballe, Jocluf ceist every ceher she agus sharty and James ceher she art agus J. When you might at the heart. Was it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So ceher she art agus J fan your berballe fan you might agus chef my shabu might. Okay.
Why was your son?
Okay, silence.
Very good.
Bye, guys. Salam.